Ladies, I'm back again, and today I want to share with you another unboxing video. This one is my work bag, and also my day bag. Another bag from TK Maxx. So I've been to TK Maxx. In the US is TG Maxx, and in UK is TK Maxx. So yeah, so here we go. Let's unbox. I'll go for TK Maxx first. I love this bag. I already used it the other day, and it's a Valentino. I think it's really smell leather. I really like it. I like the colors. Remind me of Pochette Métis. So that's the reason I get this one, because something that I use when just for running out for errands, something like that, going to the market, something that easy to use, and you don't baby I baby all my handbags, because I love them and I don't want to get them damaged. So that's why I get a bag that I can use it, that is not branded. But I'm not sure if this is part of Valentino. I just saw it in TK Maxx and it's really cute and I love it. So because I love now the Pochette Métis I got last week. So it's really cute and it's reminding me of Pochette Métis. Comes with dust bag. The dust bag is not Valentino, and some paper stuffing in it. And the price I'll link down below how much I got it. Yeah, this is I cut the thing, the label now, and it was £80. It's only £80, and it says Valentino. You see that, Valentino, and it's cute. Just one compartment, and it has a zipper compartment, and I like it. It like durables, so I love it. So maybe I keep it or I give it to someone else. But I like the color. I don't know why I like brown color. It's just my color. I love basic color, so it can go and match with anything you want to wear. So there you go. It's cute from Valentino. There's no zipper in the back part, and the strap is adjustable, but it's not removable. So there you go. That's from TK Maxx. And another one I got is from Longchamp. I love Longchamp when it comes to work bag because it's carefree. And this bag. I love this bag because it's waterproof and weatherproof, rain or shine, and you can fit a lot of things. It's lightweighted as well. So I always get bag organizer for it, and it's same size as the LV Speedy 30. And yeah, I get it in black color. But if you are looking for work bag, I prefer this one because it's worry-free, right? There you go. So if you want to see what's fit in this bag, so I will just comment down below and I will make video for that, what fits inside. It fits a lot if you are a big bag. Actually, I'm a big bag person, but sometimes you need to collect smaller bag as well that you can use just for night out, something for fashion that you don't carry lots of stuff. So like me personally, when I travel longer distance, I need a big bag. But if I am just like around the corner or going out for dinner or lunch with friends, and I just use small bag, so I use the small bag. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed this video. Just give it a thumbs up and subscribe. See you in my next one. Bye for now.